Welcome to Sheikh Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see P2 Pure Max Edexcel IAL October 2021 question number 1 Binomial Expansion chapter. Please look at the question. 1 plus kx to the power of 16 is equal to power of 16. The first three terms are 1 minus 4x and px squared. Okay. What is the binomial expansion formula? A plus b to the power of n, a power n plus nc1, a power n minus 1. B power 1 nc2 a power n minus 2 b squared dot bn. Okay, 1 plus kx to the power of 16. 1. One plus 16 c1 a power n minus 1 power 15 plus b is what? Kx to the power of 1. 16c2 1 power 14 kx square. They are asking only 3 terms. So 1, 2, 3 we found. Okay, expand it. 1. nc1 always n. So 16c1 always 16c1 is 16. 1 power 15 is 1. K squared kx to the power 1. 16c2 240 no, 16c2 is 120. K squared x squared, right? This they are comparing with, they have given 1 minus 4x, right? 1 minus 4x plus px squared. Okay, now 16k. This 16k compared with minus 14, you will get k value. 16k is equal to minus 4. So k is equal to minus 4 by 16. K is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, then 120 k squared is equal to p. 120 k squared is equal to p. Okay, now k squared equal to p means k value is what? Minus 1 by 4. K squared is 1 over 16. 120 plus minus will be plus, it will become. K squared is 1 over 16 is equal to p. P is equal to 15 times 8, 2 times 8. P is equal to 15 over 2. Got it? K value is minus 1 by 4. Copy down. In P4, you are going to study binomial expansion. The same one. If it is instead of a, this a part is, if it is 1, you can easily do it. There is no a power will come. 1 plus nx. Okay, I will give the formula for it in binomial expansion for the in chapter P4 in your next year. 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 factorial 2 x squared dot. Okay, here look at it. 1 plus nx is 16x. X is here kx. Plus n into n minus 1. 16 into 15 divided by 2 is 120. X squared, x is here kx. 120 k squared x squared dot. Okay, that's all. we finish. This is in P4 you are going to study this one. Instead of A, it will come 1. But everything is same formula because 1 power n minus 1 will be 1. So this all will be omitted. Okay. Now we will go to the part B. 2 plus 16 over x multiplied by, look at the question, 2 plus 16 over x, 1 plus kx to the power of 16. Multiply 2 plus 16 over x, 1 minus 4x plus 15 by 2x squared. Instead of 1 plus kx to the power of 16, I put this value. Okay, now they are asking find the coefficient of x squared. Find the coefficient of x squared means this 2 has to be multiplied with this 1. Nothing, 2 times 1, 2 times minus 4x not required because that all are not x squared terms. Then 16 over x, we want here anything in the x cube. Okay, so we have to find the next term here. Okay, if you want the x cube, actually it is not 1 plus kx, it is 1 plus k value is minus 1 by 4x to the power of 16. Okay, so what we have to do, you want to find the x cube, then only here x is there. X cube divided by x will be x squared. So that we are finding x cube term. Okay, why we are finding x cube term? Because we need a x squared term. Here x cube over x is x squared. Okay, to find the x cube term, first you have to do it one simple way. I will tell 16c3 minus 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4 minus x by 4, here 3, here 3, and 1 power 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 is 13. So what will come? 16c3, what is the value? 16 times 15 times 14 divided by 6, 5, 8, 40. 8 times 5 is 40, 560. 560, again 4 is there. 560 minus 560 x cube by 4 cube. Okay, so 4 cube is, you find out 4 square, it will cancel. 560 divided by 64, 35 by 4 minus 35 by 4 x cube, we will get it. Okay, so now what we have to do, you copy down this one, I will write it here. 2 times 15 over 2 x squared plus 16 over x times minus 35 by 4 x cube, zoom it, 2 cancel, 15 x squared minus 140 x squared. So the coefficient of x squared is minus 125. Copy down. Thank you for watching my videos. I am going to post so many videos for your May 14th exam. Please keep watching and leave your comments. It is motivating me. Okay, leave your comments. Bye.